morning, children. Today's class, I will request all the students just to go through the trigonometric ratios and work out question number 17 onwards on your own, and then switch on the video to see the steps and your answers so that you can take today's class as a self-assessment class. I will work out all the problems with the step. You can check where is your mistake and you can award marks to your answers. Question number 19. If cot theta is equal to 1, evaluate 5 tan square theta plus 2 sin square theta minus 3. Cot theta is equal to 1. Cot theta is equal to 1. Therefore, tan theta is also 1. Tan is AB by AC here. To find out AC as AB by BC. AC is equal to AB square plus BC square, square root of 1k square, 1k square, square root of 2k square, or root 2k. Root 2 into k. And now you wanted sin theta. Let's substitute directly. 5 into tan theta is 1. 1 the whole square plus 2 into sin theta is 1 by root 2 the whole square minus 3, which is the same as 5 plus 1 by root 2 the whole square is 1 by 2. So 2 into 1 by 2 minus 3. Cancel 2 and 2, and 5 plus 1 minus 3, 6 minus 3, which is equal to 3. So the final answer is 3. And now number 20. In the given figure, AD is a perpendicular. The following measures are given. You need to find the remaining measures. AC is given as 26. CD is given as 10. The total length of BC is given as 42, which shows that BD length is 42 minus 10, 32. So first of all, we have to calculate the length of AD and AB. So AD square is equal to AC square minus CD square, or AD is equal to square root of 26 square minus 10 square, square root of 676 minus 100, square root of 576, which is equal to 24. So this length is 24. And now you have to find out what is the length of AB. AB is the square root of 24 square plus 32 square, which is square root of 576 plus 32 square is 1024. Square root of 1600, it's giving you 40. So now you have understood the signs. Cot x. The measure is here in triangle ADC. Cot x. Cot x is the same as 1 by tan x, which is equal to 1 by tan x is 10 by 24, or it is 24 by 10. Even if you reduce or leave it as 24 by 10 or 2.4 or 12 by 5, you will get the full marks. 1 by sin square y minus 1 by tan square y. Y is in this triangle ADB. 1 by sin y is 24 by 40. So that is 24 by 40 the whole square minus 1 by tan square y is 24 by 32 the whole square. So it will be the reciprocal. That means 40 by 24 the whole square minus 32 by 24 the whole square. 1600 by 576 minus 1024 by 576. What is 1600 minus 1000? 600 minus 1024 is, it's the same 576 because it has already worked out there. It is 576 by 576, or the answer is 1. So the final answer is 1. The third subdivision, 6 by cos x minus 5 by cos y plus 8 tan y. 6 divided by cos x is base by hypotenuse, that is 24 by 26 minus 5 divided by cos y. Cos y is 32 by 40 plus 8 tan y. Tan is 24 by 32. First you reverse it with a reciprocal. 26 by 24 minus 5 into 40 by 32 plus 32, it is 24 by 4. You can reduce as 6 4s are 24. Then here with 8 5s are 40, 8 4s are 32. So you can see here, no need to make it as 6. Let's take the common LCM as 26 minus 25 plus 24 by 4, which is equal to 26 minus 25 is 1. 1 plus 24 is 25 by 4, or it's the same as 6 and 1 by 4. So the final answer is 6 and 1 by 4. Here 1. Please check your answers and see if you have made mistakes. Check which step you have made mistake. Question number 21. Look at the figure. You can see triangle CBA. In this, angle B is 90 degree, which shows that 50 is the hypotenuse length. Same way, angle BDC is equal to 90 shows that BC is the hypotenuse to be found out. At the same time, we need to find AB also in case needed. So let's proceed with the first step of finding. In triangle BDC, we need to get the length of BC. BC is equal to square root of, it's a hypotenuse. So 18 square plus 24 square. 18 is 324 plus 24 is 576. 10, 10, 900, which is equal to 30. So the length of BC is 30. And now in the triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. So it is 50 and 30. So we need to get the length of AB. AB is equal to square root of 2500 minus 50 square minus 900 square root of 1600, or this length is 40. The first is subdivision. 2 tan x minus sin y, that is 2 into x. Angle is in triangle CBA. So tan x means which is the opposite side, or which is the perpendicular, it is 30, which is the base 40. So 2 into 30 by 40 minus sin y. Y is here. Sin means perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is 18 by 30. 2 and 40 gets cancelled, 0. So 3 by 2 minus 6 3s are 18, 6 5s are 3 by 5, which is equal to, the LCM is 10 into 5 into 5 into 2 into 2. 15 minus 6 by 10, or 9 by 10 is the first answer. Second answer, 3 minus 2 into cos x. Cos x means adjacent by hypotenuse or base by hypotenuse. That is 40 by 50 plus 3. Cot y means 1 by tan y, which is equal to 3 minus 2 into 40 by 50 plus 3 into, those who are very sure, directly you can take tan y. Y value is here. Tan is 18 by 24. So cot is 24 by 18, or 1 by 18 by 24. 2 and 50 gets cancelled as 25. 3 minus with 5. 8 5s are for 8 by 5 plus 3 into 24 by 18. 16 by 4. So 3 minus 3 minus 8 by 5. 8 by 5 plus 4. 3 plus 4. 7 minus 8 by 5. 35 minus 8 by 5, which is equal to 27 by 5, which is the same as 5 and 2 by 5. The next question, 5 minus 3 tan square x. 5 minus 3 into tan x is 30 by 40. So 30 by 40 the whole square plus 3 into sec square x is 1 by cos square x, which is equal to 5 minus 3 into 3 by 4 the whole square plus 3 into 1 by cos x is the same as again 40 by 50. Five minus 3 square is 9 by 16. 3 into 9 by 16 plus 3 into 50 by 40 the whole square, or 5 by 4 the whole square. 5 minus 27 by 16 plus 25 by 16. So 3 into 25, 75 by 16. LCM is 16. 16 into 5, 80 minus 27 plus 75 by 16. 80 plus 75 is 155. 7 by 16. 155 minus 27. 8 and 14 minus 2 is 12. 128 by 16. You can reduce with 2. 64 by 8, or 8 8s are 64. So the final answer is 8. The next one, 2 cot square y, 2 into. Tan y is 18 by 24. So cot is 24 by 18 whole square minus 2 cosec square y. Cosec square is the reciprocal of sine. Y value, sine y is 18 by 30. So cosec is 30 by 18 the whole square plus 3. 2 into 24 square is 576 by 324 minus 2 into 900 by 324 plus 3. The common LCM is 324, or you can reduce, no problem. 2 into 576, 2s are 12, 14, 15, 1. 1100 and minus 9 2s are 18 plus by 1. So 324 into 3. 4 3s are 12, 7, 972. Which is the same as 1152 plus 972 minus 1800. The last question, number 22. In an isosceles triangle ABC, isosceles triangle ABC, the two sides are equal, that is AB and AC are 10. AB, AC are 10, and the total length of BC is given as 18. And they are asking you to find the value of sine square B plus cos square C. The next value is tan square C minus sec square B plus 2. Now here, this is an isosceles triangle. We need right triangle. So what will be the construction? Draw AD perpendicular to the side BC. So let AD perpendicular to BC. Immediately what happens is triangle ADB and triangle ADC are congruent. How do you prove them as congruent? AB and AC are equal. AD is equal to AD common, and the two angles, angle ADB is equal to angle ADC. Therefore, triangle ADB congruent to triangle ADC by right angle hypotenuse side by RHS. What happens is BD and DC are of equal length, which will take as 9 units. Or there is a property that in an isosceles triangle, altitude bisects the base. That means when you draw an altitude, it will bisect the base. The proof is based on the triangle congruence. Now, based on that, you got two right triangles, ADB and ADC. You can get the length of AD as square root of AB square minus BD square, square root of 10 square minus 9 square, square root of 100 minus 81, or root 19 units. Now you have to find out what is sine square B plus cos square C. Sine square B is perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is, for the first result, root 19 by 10 the whole square, plus cos square C, that is base by hypotenuse, 9 by 10 the whole square, that is 19 by 100 plus 81 by 100, 100 by 100, which is equal to 1. The second answer, tan square C. For angle C, tan C is root 19 by 9 the whole square minus sec square B. Sec is the reciprocal of cos. So cos B is 9 by 10. So sec B is 10 by 9. That is 10 by 9 the whole square plus 2, which is 19 by 81 minus 100 by 81 plus 2. By the LCM, it is 19 minus 100 plus into 81 into 81. 1 2 is 2. 162 by 81. The positive numbers, 162 plus 19. 181 minus 100 by 81. Again 81 by 81. The answer is 1. Check your answers, and one thing I would like to tell you is check whether you have made mistake in taking the ratios, or by taking LCM, or by the calculations of arithmetic. Whichever is the step, correct yourself. If the ratios are wrong, that means you revise the ratios once again. If any of the other calculations are wrong, which means that you have to be careful while doing arithmetic. In the previous video, question number 12, the last part is 3, section 3, the subdivision 3 was incomplete. I will just complete that question once again. In a right triangle ABC, it is given that tan A is equal to 5 by 12. Tan A is equal to 5 by 12. A, B, C. Tan is equal to, as I said, and this value is 13K. Only have to get the last answer as cos A plus sin A by cos A minus sin A. This answer was incomplete. I'll complete it here. Cos A is 12 by 13 plus 5 by 13 divided by 12 by 13 minus 5 by 13, that is 17 by 13 into 13 by 12 minus 5 is 7, or 17 by 7 is 7 2s are 14, 2 and 3 by 7. Kindly check question number 12 in this exercise from this video.